Hello, class of 2021 seniors. It is that time for you to create your senior portfolio. Your senior portfolio allows you to have everything you need to apply to college and to scholarships all in one place. If we were in school, we'd have you create your senior red folder containing all the important information, but we are not. So I'm going to give you a quick step-by-step on how to create an electronic senior portfolio. Your first step is to create a Google folder within your M account. So please go to your M account, locate your drive, and create a folder labeling it Senior Portfolio. Once you've created the folder, please open it up and go to the Share options. We would like each senior to share it with the College and Career Center. Our email is wyandotte.ccc@m.kckps.org. Once you've done that, the second step is to log into your Infinite Campus and download your transcript. If you don't know where your transcript's located in Infinite Campus, please click on the link below and follow the how-to video on how to access and download your transcript. Once you've downloaded it, please upload it to your senior portfolio. Your third step is to complete or update your academic vita. If you've never heard of this, that's okay, I have it linked below. Your academic vita looks something like this. All of the information at the top can be located on your transcript that you just downloaded. The vita will ask you to list everything you've been involved in from your 9th grade year of high school to your 12th grade year of high school, including activities in school, community service, jobs held, honors and awards, and it'll ask you to list a couple of references. Once that is complete, please upload that to your senior portfolio. Your fourth step, recommendation letters. Some of you may already have recommendation letters, and that's fine. Go ahead and just upload those to your senior portfolio. If you do not have one, we would like you to think of an adult that you know well and that knows you well and ask them if they'd be willing to write you a general recommendation letter. In your email, please include your academic vita. Examples of recommenders could be teachers, counselors, coaches, employers, church leaders, or community organization sponsors. A recommender should be somebody that's outside of your family. Once you have that recommendation letter, please upload that to your senior portfolio. An example of a recommendation letter looks something like this. I wrote this last year for a senior. If your recommender does not have a letterhead, that's okay. The College and Career Center can help you with that. Please just email us and we will help you get your recommendation letter on a letterhead. And last but not least, your ongoing task your senior year is to upload all your acceptance letters and scholarship offers. Your acceptance letters from colleges and universities will come in different forms. Some will come as paper form in the mail, and all we ask is that you take a picture of that and upload it to your senior portfolio. Some of you may receive electronic email acceptance letters, such as this one. This is from Wichita State for a former student. All she did was screenshot the important pieces that say, "Congratulations, you've been admitted," and then she uploaded it to her senior portfolio. Another one that is a common one is KCKCC. Again, it says, "Congratulations," screenshot, upload that to your portfolio, and the College and Career Center will know of all of your acceptances because you've shared your folder with us. Once you've completed all those steps, this will help you stay organized throughout your senior year. Once your senior year is over, you'll be able to transfer all this information to your personal Gmail account. So you will have access to it after you graduate high school. If you have any other questions or need assistance, because this is a lot of information, please contact the College and Career Center, which our information is located in our Google Classroom. Please don't hesitate to email us at any time. Thanks, seniors. Have a great day.